Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily add a parallax effect or a moving background image depending where your cursor is positioned. So this is the result I have, and now let me show you how I came up with this. Let's start. First, this will need JavaScript, so please don't forget to add it. I have added here the CDN for that. Then, the next thing we need is to add a simple CSS. Here, I decided to apply the effect directly to the body element, so I added here the ID attribute container. So, I'll start styling now the body. For my design, I'll need three images for the background image. Then, I'll add background size. So, for the first image, I'll set it to 50%. And for the other images, I'll set it to cover. And then for the background position, I'll set the first one to center for the airplane, and then the first cloud to top, and the other cloud to bottom. Then I'll set the background repeat to no repeat, and then the height of the body to 100 VH. There. So let me just wait for the result. There. So we have this background image now, and what we need to do is to add the parallax effect JavaScript. So let me just add that quickly. So here is now the script for the parallax effect, and the function is being called or being applied on when the page is loaded. So just keep in mind that the ID of the body is being used here. So there. That's how easy it is to add a parallax effect to the background image. So I hope you have learned something new today, and this ends the tutorial.